living a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric. Hey, check it out. I was down off the mountain and I found a Walmart that actually had mowers, riding mowers. The one in our area hasn't carried them in several years. These are Yard Machines, and they're not bad mowers by any means. I think they're the same company that makes Toro brand. I might be wrong about that. Sure, you can see the stats here. It says made in the USA with global parts, which is not unusual these days, but it's kind of nice to see something still being made somewhat in the US. 42-inch deck, 7-speed manual transmission, although I think they might be counting reverse on that. You can see it does have a steel deck, but it's like a stamped pressed deck. It's not a welded deck. Engine-wise, it has a genuine Briggs. I'm glad to see it's not a knockoff. It's the E1550, which they said was 17.5 horsepower. It is overhead valve. These are pretty easy to work on, but no oil filter. This is a very basic engine, so no pressurized oil system here. You got to really keep up with those oil changes. Gas tank reminds me of the RL 638 I had. It's the same setup there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. What's weird about these transmissions is you have forward, neutral, and reverse, but you have all the gears in forward and in reverse. 15-inch in the front. I believe it was 20-inch in the rear. We'll take a look here in a second. But yeah, they're just Carlisle tires. They make decent tires. They're pretty much industry standard. I'm not sure I like the tread pattern, but that's the way they're going now. Yeah, so nice little tractor. Nice little tractor. I was a little surprised in the price. It was coming around back here. You can see it does take a hookup for a trailer. Not a ground engaging unit, but just a trailer would be fine, or pulling maybe a spreader or something like that. Little springs for the seat, and a battery hides below the seat. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. The cost, these, Walmart usually carries, Kmart usually carries the $9.99 Murray's. These are $19.99. So let that soak in, my friends. Till next time, take care.